Landscape design is both an art and a science. A well-designed landscape will incorporate elements from both disciplines to create a space that is visually appealing and functional. When planning your landscape design, there are three critical elements that you must take into consideration: form, function, and maintenance. Form is the first thing to consider when designing a landscape. Form creates visual interest, defines spaces, and can direct traffic flow. Depending on the size of your outdoor space, you may choose curved lines to make it look bigger or geometric shapes to break up the area and create distinct areas for different activities. Function is the second element to keep in mind when planning your landscape design. What do you want your landscape to be used for? Do you want an area for entertaining guests? A playground for children? A garden for relaxation? Your intended use will determine which shape and elements are best suited for your space. For example, if you entertain frequently, then a patio with plenty of seating would make sense. Or if you have young kids, then a playground area with swings and slides would be ideal. The third important element to take into consideration is maintenance. Regardless of how big or small your outdoor space is, it will require some level of care and upkeep in order to remain attractive and functional over time. With this in mind, it's good to choose plants and materials that fit both your aesthetic goals as well as how much time you are willing to commit to upkeep. If you don't have much free time, then opt for drought-tolerant plants that need little watering or ground cover instead of mulch, which requires weeding from time to time. By taking into account form, function, and maintenance when planning out your landscape design, you can ensure that it will be beautiful as well as practical.